How to trade options on Webull desktop. Option trading is risky, but you don't have to know everything about the entire market. You just need to know one part of the market very well, and that is not that hard to do. First thing to do is to get a wide view of the market and then narrow it down to an area of the market that fits you and your trading personality. Once you find the segment of the market you want to trade in, you need to learn everything you can about it, and then you can develop one or two strategies you can work over and over again to attain constant profits. There is no right or wrong strategy to use in your trading. The only thing that matters is to use a strategy you are comfortable with and use it at the right time for maximum profit. No strategy works all the time. Market conditions change, and that can make a strategy perform poorly. So it is always better to have more than one strategy to use. Then when market conditions change, you can use the strategy that works the best for that change. Option trading is risky, but if you only have one strategy and the market is not right, just stay on the sidelines until it comes back in your favor. That's why paper trading is so important. You have to test your strategy so you know when it is the right time to get in and out of the market. Options can provide a great way to enter the market with a small amount of money, and because of the leverage options you can get a very good return on your money. It just takes a little knowledge and some discipline to meet your goals of becoming a profitable trader.